Hola, it's not the first, and it's not going to be the last. You know you have to go live up on fame girlfriend. She make him hype till him this and down a grand spin. Now she have a man a wear all him underpants them. You see, but again, it no matter how you ugly for the money you spend. When foot I get the baker, me sorry for my friend. Till him all start see alien a walk among men. You see, but again, as a man rise, nobody can control him. First thing him change are the friends them we round him. Next thing him want is a bimmer and a browning. Change every link, mama can't even phone him. Hey, you see, say me did right. If your life no private, you get the lime out of the light. You would think she not the type to carry a man in your bed in the middle of the night. Now you see it. But again, you remember when go live up a walk and a hype. Same love shine a chin and everything tight. Oh, everything perfect and I him alone she like. She make him hype till him this and down a grand spin. Now she have a man a wear all him underpants them. You see? But again, we did a laugh after Vegas from way back when. Nobody couldn't tell him say the girl I pretend. She make him ball like water for the money with him spit. You see? But again, me say don't make no woman mad you when them love you when you're poor. They so you know you value them we mess with your heart and we and marshal you. Don't put no woman over the one we have you. Hey, when people talk the truth, them bad mind or them a diss you. Remember your struggle of the one we stick with you. Girl we take you out a gully and beat you and trick you. Now everybody talking, guess what's the issue? You see? But again, what kind of girl want a man with only one tooth? If you not think money, then you not talk truth. Them a wicked girl where I say elephant cute. Look how ninja ugly and girl a give him youth. You know you have to go live up on fame girlfriend. She make him hype till him this and down a grand spin. Now she have a man a wear all him underpants them. You see? But again, but again, but again, but again. You see? But again,
deal with it hard. I reserve and me I say subscribe to High Life Music Entertainment for the latest in a dancehall.